There was some parking near the venue, but the guys were like, yo, $20 a park, which is not bad, but you gotta leave your keys. Even when we're in all foot, like instantly everybody's face was like, oh hell no. Then I walked through the crowd and find out a party food truck. I'm not saying I'm not running, but a vegan party brother someday and Toyota, a lentil party.
Your worst enemy could be your best friend. I'm your best friend.
Your worst enemy.
But the worst part.
Represent the love of earth. Connected by this out. They can't keep a good man. Always keep a joy when they.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell right there.
Hey people, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new viewers. As you guys can see me, I'm pretty close to the cars. We're outside. Me and a couple friends were heading to a Sizzla concert. Sizzla's in CT today, so got a couple tickets a couple months ago. It was supposed to be me and Lacey, but yeah, it's just me. As you guys know, Lacey's kind of out of commission for a little bit, so it's just me when I make the trot. Of course, I would have more than willingly stayed home, but she's like, since you already paid for the tickets, just go. So right now I'm heading over to one of my friends' place, the Nico. A group of us is meeting up from there. Damn it, I left my Magnum. Damn! You know what I look forward to most of all in the evening? When if I wasn't late, I'd turn back. Damn it. Alright peeps, so just reached Alford. We had to park like a couple blocks away. There was some parking near the venue, but the guys were like, yo, $20 a park, which is not bad, but you gotta leave your keys. Even when we're in all foot, like instantly everybody's face was like, oh hell no. So we parked like 2 blocks away, I want to say, from the event, and we're walking over now. So see you guys when I get there. What time is it? 6:47. The show started about at 6. But yeah, let's see what a Sizzla concert looks like here in the States. We just got through the front gate. We have to record in a pieces because I be nice, I be music, but me showing up. What is it, man? Half of the crew rich. Now wait for the next half.
So when wifey come out, them bush to the bone. Because them love me the most. Me to come out, and I don't like she have kids and it's in another shinky. Anytime you pass it.
Level. But my uncle taught me. You see those girls in shorts? You see those ladies in the sundress? Let me tell you.
Girls in shots, say for free. Girls in shots, not for free.
Yes, that's already, baby.
Girls in riders ain't for free.
She look good as our shield. Watch how she moves me. Hey, Mojo, just tell people, excuse me. Just tell people, excuse me.
I'm moving on the...
Honey, no.
Some people know, but they can't hear everybody. They walk through the crowd and find out a party party food truck. You know, so you have to run in. But a vegan party, brother, someday I tell you a lentil party. They have couple food truck for the place there, boy. So we are going to visit each and every one of them. You don't know where we're going to carry belly. You don't know. Because we can't let the yard. You know what I mean? So we're going to talk about vegan party and I want to say it. We make people know.
Your city! Man to man.
It's so unjust.
Silence!
You don't know who to trust.
Onward!
Your worst enemy
Could be your
Best friend.
and your best friend.
Your worst enemy.
But the worst part.
Come and eat and drink with you.
I'm here to tell you. Underwear.
that the angels upon you.
Your heart first.
Only your friends know your secret.
When the woman never knows that you're in your 50s and you still look good. Alright, I want me a party with press play, my brother.
Every time I think of saying goodnight,
Make a party.
everything
Make a party.
saying it's alright.
Everybody.
So again,
Every woman.
no one
Feel like we want to go mature tonight. I mean, the youngest senior play tonight. Everybody, play a rock side to side, I know. Everybody. I've been talking to food bus and scam too. Bus and scam now. Every girl is.
It's not that I
Don't love you.
Me never hear.
you know how much I
Ever.
do. And it's
Ladies, we as men, we give a lot of problems. So when time you guys walk out of our lives, we might play tough, but we sing something like this.
but it's just the feeling within me.
We sing some songs like this too.
When you touch my hand.
Level. So when you finally walk out of my life now, I have to do nothing but sit in my car and press play again now.
So I'm leaving.
Ladies, the movement for bigger and better now.
It's time to play.
Ladies, let's hear it now.
I'm gonna
Walk away from
Never. All right, ladies.
no.
Everybody be a scam now.
Don't love.
Me and I.
You know that's my rich, that was no objective.
Majesty, we are the youngest senior tonight. Let me show them how we do music. Everybody know.
You never be. I'm moving
I love you. Everybody see the Sizzla concert now. I don't know. Love again. And they put your fantastic fans in it. Don't mix it. And they put your fans in it. She walks out of my life. She walks out of my life now. Is that it? Big up to every girl in senior. Big up to the man who knows that you have one specific woman. Whether she's your main woman or your side woman, you still love her. But if she walk out of your life tomorrow morning,
It's a survival story.
alright, get the people time now. The people that we know say you come from nothing to something. Let me feel up as in a Sizzla party now. Everybody!
I remember those days when hell was my home. When me and mama bed was a big piece of foam. And me never like paid and my ear never come. When mama gonna work me go street around. I remember when he down in them, let me snow cold. And make him lick for bread and then kick up their road. I remember when we visit them with pure stone.
Any great Jamaicans in a party now?
I remember when
Every Jamaican!
Tim me down, I'm not the same Michigan. When I'm going home, now we all love the city and that is well known.
son. We want to hear them sing. We want to hear them sing. Now we get no. Let them sing. Let them sing.
No matter what them do, you don't ever do what them do, because you can end up just like them. Just keep the faith and hold your head. I be telling the people, you know what I'm telling them? You know what I'm telling them? Serious dance and music, them you know.
Me no care, me no like to go cry and shed a tear. Leave out of the girl, them up in it. Cause I'm a shit party of the enemy. Hold on, me and my best friend.
You ever dance some Jamaican named Bad Man Forward, Bad Man Pull Up? What do you do it? What do you do if Bad Man Forward, Bad Man Pull Up? Everybody shout, everybody shout, everybody shout. Alright now, Bad Man Forward, Bad Man Pull Up. Bad Man Forward, Bad Man Pull Up. Bad Man Forward, Bad Man Pull Up. Everybody do the dance here. Bad Man Forward, Bad Man Pull Up. From your youth, so the mother tell me, you see friend, be careful with your friend there. Good friend better than pocket time. All I want to do right now, I'm going to play that song now. Go on!
Your friends where you smoke with and run job with. And them people get a shot with. The only friend who I love, I don't want no more. Give him closer to me than you. Step right. Everywhere I go, take my beat. If I reach that back mine. Everywhere I go, take my beat. Fast as the sunshine. Nobody tell me what they want from me. I don't care tell people. Them tell people they're evil. Good over evil, but they say them people are fighting for a cause. I mean them can't fight.
Right about now, please help me welcome to the stage, Hartford, Connecticut, Sizzla, Kalonji.
Check one. I told you, terrible blessings, and make us strong. And trust that we gon' get there. This day to come, I never doubted. I picked the faith all along. One person of the serpent. Hey, Connecticut! Hey! This only deserve all the best. And I've got eyes I love to give. I know you can't lose this way. Greetings to the name of my story. Peace and I'll see you on the channel. Let's start the party now. Let's continue this way. And we're still creating on and on. Hey, but we just like stay around and say, hey, baby, cause that is wrong. If I didn't want to wrong. Everybody like to see a job. Righteousness. Hey, I can see that they got no skins. And I know. Hey, I can see them by your closest friends. Whenever you're angry, them a try to your current. Hey, stand there in and not influence. Stand by us. Never see the light and go. Ready again. Well, I said I know the rest. Empire. And the hero. It's good seeing you again after so many years. Some more fire! Some more fire! Oh, Mama Africa, oh, that's the fire! Sure, perfect! Yes, when I survived over us, maybe I wrote it so rugged and sticky. I know it is I don't know them God bless who Johnson here and we are from a mistake. God of the God I tell them, right over. Empower Selassie, that's the knees could have never get with it. I know it is but through them they're gnashing of teeth. Well, these are those who constantly they love me. The rocks and the pumps are leaving them promiseless begging. They're not respect you, they ain't to be falling. You're in the place to win, it's now you're rising. First of all, we're making it on my way. No one will fire on them every. Cause it's some more fire.
Rastafari, bless Sizzla, Kalonji and Judgment Yard. This man is one of my great teachers and one of my best friends and supporter throughout life. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. So you gotta eradicate the mucus from your bodies. That's how you're getting real sick right now. Get rid of the pathogens and all those stuff. Alright? Now, yes, you got to be. And we're the best. I said the world is out there. And now you have to love Africa. Say yes, you got. And we're the best. I said the world is out there. Conquer your faith. Hey, well then, I tell you now. All you're doing, every time I ever seen you. Oh, baby, I'm the same, no like I could be ever said to something. Nothing could be too bad to work, but I'm telling you. Open life at the best, cause I believe in you. Then I'm the same revive, I plan the best to teach you. Them forget I for your life, for us being there. There's putting us and we've already want to bring it out. Connecting on them here, you sing it out. Yes, we got to be. Hey! You love your mother? If you love your mother, put on the signal, give me some lighter. I'm gonna lighter them the star. Don't you bow the hands and feed you. Big up all the sexy ladies, big up all the beautiful mothers. Big up all the females. No funny boy about you. We're serious. Let me see a wave hand for mama. Wave hand! Hey! Thank you mama for the night. Gotta be all those feeling. Hey! No one knows the struggle your boy. Just only you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Public you know. Well, all you know is never forget it in our life. Put that to their family. I know never forget it in our life. Give me the signal now. Let me see you put your hands in the air. Anywhere you're from, represent yourself. You know what I'm saying? Big up the generals, don't big up our beautiful ladies. Roof over we area now. I see I know. Well, Sizzla, Kalonji again. Alright. I know the girls to use them homeless. Who is to me? Question mark. Is that surname? Homeless. I will bear the pain. From the best I see them picking up and run. Homeless. Pull up, and run it again. I know if you saw their stuff, I want to pay them no mind. Alright. I will say stop them from the violence and remove all crime. I will say the conqueror and the tribe of Judah and Nectar Jah. Light up this world, Rastafari. See you know, hey. Come on, you know, yeah. You know peace, love and unity. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark, is that surname? Homeless, I will bear the pain. From the mess I see the picking of the plane. Homeless, who is to be blamed? Question mark, like a I'll be there. Oh, so that I swear I'll be on with my side. So I wish that others do as they. Some are just a fish them off it here. We call them fox and night. Some not, the heart is night. Oh, well, take that to your fun. When is the heart in it? And everyone deserves to earn. Say what's it around us? Hey, yes, sir. If you're born ganja, put the light on the air. Put up some signal. And they will take it. They're on your name. So the air and get down. Put up. But not. We like passing us here. I'm a set ties the most time. Gotta protect you always. Alright? Hey. So what's the way let us be sanctified? For you, I don't trust on the Most High Almighty and deny the devil, put your hands in the air. If you deny the devil, put your hands in the air. If you deny funny man, put your hands in the air. If you deny sodomite, put your hands in the air. Deny all corruption and all what's negative. This is Sizzla, Kalonji, and I'm here to let you have a good voice. Sing it out. Then no one their names. So what's the way let us be sanctified? Fire blaze, I now cool, no way. Jesus to praise the virgin to die. The needy son of all of the forgotten, no way. I will be Eli King Selassie, through Saul and Goliath. What's the man a chant? Strength and protection for Ryan. Many find it difficult because of simplicity we used to say. Only for the season, connected us. Simplicity we used to say. Many find it difficult. Hey, sexy ladies, simplicity. Thank you very much for coming. Sizzla, Kalonji, love the fun mix. And the match tonight, it brought us sweet now. And now the banana, next banana, the influence for hearts. Connected culture, the meditation of fire. Let me see the light up for the one now. Push on the light and represent yourself. Represent the community. Represent the love of the earth. Connected on the shout. They can't keep a good man. Always keep a joy when they pull up. From a funny man in a bus of love. Hey, hey, let me see the light, let me see the light. A big part of the big all this place. Hey, they can't keep a good man. Always keep a joy when they I get my pain, but I'm people up to my knee, that's right. What is that? Pick up what it says. Hey, hold up this side, sir. Things getting better when they here comes the officers. One of the down there, so I'm going some more shit. But yo, hey, God has some man standing there, they just can't. Oh, no. People will say this, it just. People will just have to pay calls, they just can't. People when they such a bit. You ready? Bust up. That when they come in the evenings, I just said to one of them, Johnny's the light into my, but I can't mind. They fight you, put it into it, run it one more time. What do you say? Sizzla, Kalonji in the house. Let me see your one hands down, my people. We are getting the party, people. By us, man. They just can't. Hey. People with that decent. They just can't. Over here, what do you feel like? People will say, they just can't. What a lovely party. Sizzla, Kalonji in the house. Turn it up. Sizzla, come again. Yeah, and they come in the evening front. I just sit to whatever they ties the light into my heart. They fight you without the trying to make my life so. Thank you very much. You remember that one, yeah? Heard that you read a big up on the dance set. Then they keep on. See, love and a put away. What goes on? Put up on my select, I'm about to party, man. Every feeling here is I will. One year. Love and a put away. What goes around? Put the freak on the funny man. That pretty man that's in the forest, man. Turn them out with a word. If you say you love them, man, so that means that's a wrong marriage, so go. I say, wait, guys, one more time again, my people. Hey, Hosanna, hey, Rastafari. Hosanna, hey, Rastafari. I'm Mr. Oh, his foundation is up on the other mountain. Lord of the gates of Zion, more than the dwellings of Jacob. You hear still young. Hey, oh, hey. Switching on me now, snitching on me. Picking up dirty attitudes, watch you express yourself, yo. Hey, now you look on every corner, trying to make a dollar from the quarters. Thought you were my friend, give an helping hand. Out of fire burn them. What do you say? Hey, I got to take from all those things that hurting me. I gotta make my life so free. Seems you don't want nothing good for real. I gotta take myself. Hey, woo, hey. I gotta remember every day is filled with more possibilities and more room for growth. Alright? Hey, I waste the time on you. Now behaving as if there's been a crime on you. Now there's a fine on you. Now tell me what you're gonna do. Will it do it not to when you deceive, girl? Simply I really have so much love. Dollar bills and will fade away, yeah. Whoa, 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 Kalonji, sing it out. Black woman and, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. For you I really have so much love. Love, dollar bills and will fade. I want to fire them, they put some lighter. Lighter, well, mother than Africa still remains so far. Embers and emperors living from Indostan. Oh yeah, you're the first to give birth and to mankind. Oh yeah, you're the hurt, been a big as the vine. Turn it up, they can't just say and I give you thy praise. That's where my comfort will be. Hey, how have I been going through those days? Drop the stuff. I'm into you. Now I don't hear him cry. If you're a girl who's for no things do beyond the human reasoning, joy mixed to it. People would say things as for us to step up. Hey girl, this be your reason. Hey girl, and you know, ladies, why? I'll tell you. What do you say? This man is ambassador to those children down in Jamaica. And here's something coming from, of course, under the Reggae Tree Foundation. It says, presented to Sizzla Kalonji for outstanding community contribution to Let's Talk under the Reggae Tree and supporting children in Jamaica. Brenda, you're the lady, you're on it to him. No, on this to him, on this to him. Thank you very much. What Emmanuel I, King Selassie I, Joe, I'm happy and most elated.
Yes, and we also have the Medal of Honor from Let's Talk Under the Tree Reggae Tree Foundation as well.
Come on, give it to him, give it to him. Rastafari. Blessings. Blessings. My people, all people, thank you very much. You've been so wonderful and I'm honored and most elated. Once again, we're going to continue the service. This is what happened when you do the work of the people. So in the name of the Most High, let it be praised. Without Jah, wouldn't have been possible. Without you, wouldn't have been possible. Please give yourself a very big round of applause. Thank you. So DJ, like on the... You ready? Put the lighter to the vibes now. Push up the lighter there, you know. And here we go. Unity is strength, all right? Put away the violence. Connecting cause rise to the occasion. Look at yourself and say you. No one can rise to the occasion. Look at yourself and say you. No one can. It's for you to the best in the life. Now that the get up and step towards you call it alright. Hey, connected culture, I'm telling you. Some people read and meditate, others move scanty, yo. Some people are conscious about life, others are panting, yo. Some people are cognac champagne and brandies, yo. Babies love ice cream, cakes and kind of candies, yo. I love girls and girls, good words, roots and my shanty, yo. Girls are going to school brand new and I'm being spanking, yo. Yet we all need education because it's so damn thing, yo. Hey, I gotta sing it every day, yo. Rise to the occasion, look at you. Hey. Shouting out, Lord. Reaching out to all youths of the world, reaching out to all the people. Anywhere you're from, it's Judgment Charge, Sizzla Kalonji live in action, okay? Big party, happy to see you. Turn it up, you know. Hey, Rasta man, we taking over. We taking over. We taking over. Come on, let me see you. And if we take it up, and I got nothing to give me take it up. Righteous and the swing at the give me take it up. Come and take it up, come and take it. Okay, I tell you full time now. Wake up, I tell you now, there is no time to get. Come something. Tell them change some words. Better you throw re-up. Connecticut, you tell them there is no time to get. Some come for some rito cock or up where they use them fit. Tell them, move around and feel the vibes. Well, cause Ethiopia should now stretch forth. Looking said I see I no more rocking at the things I get ready in the western. Enough of them I get your my things say ya. Can you burn out our corruption enough? A judgment yard, Sombra, but fire on the wall of them. Now beg the friend from fire on the wall of them. Me nah beg no, I'm said do not get me rotty, through the weak karate. Here King Selassie, you the Einstein man. I'm said do not get me rotty, through the weak karate. Here King Selassie, you the Einstein monarchy. Here King Selassie, you the Einstein monarchy. Why them want to get a Mr. Fisati? Tell me like us, Mr. Me tell me like us. Pop it up, me see what that them get. Me say me fire on the wall of them. Nah beg no, fire on the wall of them. What? Gas is rolling around the place. When another thing I called it to the down the place. When I don't like it, then I turn around and erase. When you do it, everybody to me here is fire my place. That world is up, comes and control the place. But even boy, you get down, then I say, I see it's like a lunch. I don't feel long, I don't know. It's a lot keep on the note. Youngsters go relax the coat. What if I'm not this or not? Well, who got human? Don't think you word. You stand up the younger that. One peg, I'm in a gun, man. You're exhausting the liquor. So I'm begging the thing. Erase it up. Connecting, can't sing it up. I don't feel long.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn on notification bell right there.